Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to enter big picture mode on Steam and also exit. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So there's two different ways that you can enter big picture mode on Steam, and this is very easy to do. Now, the first and most obvious one is in the upper right side of the screen. There is this little box with two arrows. If you go ahead and select this, it says big picture mode. So you can just tap that box and it'll enter into big picture mode. Otherwise, if you go to the bottom of your computer on the taskbar, if you right click on this, you will have some options on here as well. And one of them is big picture mode by default. All you do is select this and you can enter into big picture mode. Now, if you want to enter into big picture mode every time you start Steam because you want to use a controller, well, you can go to settings and then go to interface and then select this option where it says start Steam in big picture mode. Go ahead and start that up, press OK, and then you should be starting up Steam every time into big picture mode. So let's go to this box in the upper right side of the screen and select that and then launch into big picture mode. Now, when you get to the home screen here, you can very easily exit Steam's big picture mode. Right by the time clock, there is a power symbol. Just go ahead and select this. Then you will have the option to exit Steam, exit big picture mode, or minimize big picture mode. So let's just go to exit big picture mode right here, and it will kick me back to my desktop where we can see the normal version of Steam once again. So that is how you enter big picture mode and you exit it on Steam. This video did indeed help you. Go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.